This is the elevator that serves the eastbound platform at Rahway Station in Rahway, New Jersey. There's something unique about this elevator. It is actually a modernized Schindler MT. Let's go up to the platform level. Here we are at the platform level. Let's go back down to the street. Now we'll get a cab view. As you can tell by those air vents, this was originally a Schindler, and it was modernized. Very interesting. I never thought I'd come across a modernized Schindler MT. GAL fixtures. Here is a phone. Hi.
What?
Good.
Filming?
Yeah.
Project?
Yep.
What's it about?
Elevators.
Oh.
There it goes, and that's it.